don't get surprised. It's just about 51 minutes past 6. And Nana Aduanaba Kofi Asante, based on this foundation, person made just 5-10 minutes. Near President Ekasa. So baby, you do no atokrodo. Share Mutieti sa voice name. Several of them. Our Facebook page. Obeka say agudie. Nigeria Chrono 4 boys akronfo say ya. Yahoo boys say ya. 87.9. Nobody should mistake. Should be mistaken. Say bia ade na ekoso o man we mu no. Ade ayemfa ni agro. The effect of brain drain my Ghana so president since 1 year ni Nana Aduanaba Kofi Asante mie na no kranka ho hwe. Ye training Ghana for doctors, teachers, nurses, wo mu nyina adwane kwa abrochire. Obi a fa ne niema ye tikura we mu na nurses ye ma wo mo nurses allowance. Allowance a ye de ma nurses no. Nurse ni bia not less than 800 Ghana cedis. Ye tue wi a the whole Ghana we are getting over 80,000 every year. About more than that, private government nursing colleges I would work in Abomwa. You are talking about 120,000 nurses and over. We are near to Omogum. Not Ghana Tieska at the Mawomo. Yet training what we are when you're in the Pina National Service cry on yet no call. We have no priority. Our memo political decisions.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ko immigration officers ahodo wo Ghana ha. Akonya kora bi mu nya bi ntraso. Adwuma kora no ye hu adwuma wo munya ye. Cho no mugum all because of political appointments. Yes, a protocol igum. And now me no ka say ukọ every hospital say nurses 10 and wo ho a emu 6 adwane kwa abrochire. Ena ebinom da so tifie a wo munya kwan. UK oban for ton wo mu fie o maja pade ena de ko. We have the country nurses are talking, doctors are talking. Say now no one of the business assemblies, a young man amia makwala what's sa nipa 8 and me office me planning department nipa 8 no emu 6 eko abrochire eke nipa of any saying 2 and ye wo ho 2 ne kra no 1 prepare ko de onya nkoye makwala no or law school enti kra no nkoye nko no so no woko. The least opportunity every Ghanaian is going. Ghana for tie we Thursday November 10th 2022 Canada new Canadian Broadcasting Corporation news from here.
Ghana are leaving the country. Healthcare workers in Ghana are leaving the country in droves. They are searching for better working conditions, particularly here in Canada, but also in the United Kingdom and United States. This year alone, more than 3,000 nurses and midwives in the West African country have left. It's raising questions of how Ghana's healthcare sector can survive as it loses so many professionals.
Ghana for this is Canadian Broadcasting Corporation. All kind news. So over 3,000 as of 2022 November a year like this. That is a year 1 year on was 10th November and another 1st November and we. From last 2 years, Ghana for a Janeko for Confanoche, every help. Just say, when you are one in the ma, no moko, when you are one in ma, no moko. The worry is that nobody cares about it. Nana Aduanaba Kofi Asante, a Yasi and Wakunko, a Jabasi and Wakunko, no one and one twaso. Just say, Bibiam fan who be because my time has ended. I am going.
87.9.
No, I didn't want him. Mekai say, the Dr. Titus Bayo, right, or a former General Secretary for Ghana Medical Association, at one of their functions, calling on the president, saying, Nana, Mon form Nancy from Nadia na ekoso na ni enyan. Tie.
As we speak, doctors, nurses are leaving this country in droves. Brain drain has returned in full swing.
Who told you that?
I know that because I'm the General Secretary of the Medical Association.
How many so far?
I won't give you figures immediately, but I can give you some examples.
Give me estimates. Let's see over the last
No, I'll give you a unit in a hospital I won't name. One unit in a hospital.
Is it a big hospital in Accra?
A big hospital I won't name. From January till now.
Is it a referral hospital?
5 doctors have left that unit.
January to what?
From January till now, 5 doctors have left from one unit.
Brain drain has returned to Ghana.
It is.
In the medical profession.
It is.
At what level?
In the nursing profession, and they are leaving. Speak to with the unions, we talk. Speak to the nurses, speak to everybody. They are leaving. I teach in the medical school, and I have students who have formed study groups for USMLE. That's the US Medical Licensing Exam. So right from medical school, they are studying towards passing the US licensing exam and leaving.
You mean those you are teaching are already thinking
Some
of
have
leaving?
formed study groups.
WhatsApp groups?
Study groups, and they're studying on how to pass that exam and leave. So we need to do something deliberate in this country.
Therefore, why Dr. Titus Bayo was say, or what radio medical school, student medical school, doctors and woman from study groups. I want to put in say, was she and the Ghana medical school and straight or co US, a one walk on a brass because there is nothing better and what Chroma and nobody appears to be working about it. This is a dangerous thing and Kasabre, the president of the republic like COVID see or Ghana. You have your brains. The brain is a woman we now live in you. Obian can was some any can what to a woman Ghana. Share me Kaiser Rollins time and I saw brain drain way started. It when on penny that akufo eba betna or my Ghana konya kesi aswono or started near ma who be teachers, nurses, nanka a public worker, teacher, nurses, crown with the car bar with the car efra brochire eba bedua we na without any duty na yate so near the amount sa incentives we nyina were there and near the motivation and no na nam so single span salary structure ni nyina tamo they put in place ehwe omampani dada kofo tu anamon hihye ahodo a e course nyina ni nua bema e adokofo ano ye ona na minister of health some time ago we saw be defense minister recently we about be board chairman for Senate. I mean they are all concerned and he is a medical doctor.
Your wife may get employment here because it's Accra. The children will get quality schools to attend. If you are moved to a small village or small town, what will your wife do? What work will your wife do? What school will your children attend? And you yourself, medicine, you have to improve yourself all the time. If you are in Accra, you can go for a course at the postgraduate college. If you are put in a remote area, far from Accra, where will you go for self-improvement? So there are a lot of factors. Till Ghana becomes a developed nation, it will take a long time to get the same facilities we have in Accra, outside Accra. So the best thing to do is to give solid incentive, 30% pay increase, so that people will feel, look, I'm going to be away for 3 years, but I know by the end of the 3 years, I would have paid 30% of my mortgage loan.
We are dokufo a one mass suggestion say your nurses wo kwan kabudo mu kwa kurase na doctors are ekwa mu make provision ene na no a head of district education directorate Ephraim Yedin Komot Kofi me district teachers makuma na me wo in my district were close to about 320 Kofi about 162 or so or mu nyina adwane ko. Let me be precise tepa or see and teachers now burning now so no and I'm saying we tear over 20,000 and we tear over sikakase and we tear your posting into oba opekrum what the kwa kurase kra was there be my appointment letter no so no ye de ma to krom. I had nothing to do at the village. And a national service for any assessor woman, just a national service near Bia or ye diploma, or ye different course, and one good classroom at the various districts, at the rural areas. Teacher need Bia Johnny because October papa dying, no the quadruple acha 6 months, 1 year, near my bit man Sunday amano. Nobody is caring and nothing is being done. Na na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo the president. Waka wanu atum and asani ama we nyina ekoso. Nurses are mutie me, teachers tie me. You can just call producer line wa. Hundreds of people are leaving the country. And will be a funny bag and walk. See, I'm an old say, go to the call Mensia Hospital, call Confanachi, call a Centraso, call with your body. The biggest focus for every nurse, and they say, on your Juma. Now, after any pin by our straight on call or quabritrick, we walk walk when they say a Ukuronis anima, but they are proud to go and do it because average nurse salary awaji ewa Ghana ha 2,100 or 2,500, which is less than $200. Less than $200 as a teacher. And you share your politicians, and the woman fuma. And we have the president of the republic, the labor ministry. Nobody is talking about it. And you can't want to. Nurses say what Kroma and Kasabai. Why are they running away? The reasons of the mind.
The environment, the working environment is okay, it's friendly. You enjoy being at work. We hear of the prospects in their salaries are good. The environment, the working environment is okay, it's friendly. You enjoy being at work and all that. And again, they are able to get other benefits to support whatever they are getting as nurses.
Oh, Ghana, yababe do hey. Yes, and your first time teachers, nurses, Ghana for be person kwabru chire you know. But nanado, it is getting worse. You see Akoma zi. Obi anu wo dwetre kakra 20,000, 50,000. Obi nyina ton dwane ko Korea. Ehin fan wo mo ko Turkey, Singapore, ehin fan kron ketenkete a utimu say at least nka Ghana kora no ya tutu ene ma ya bobra nka betuma bobra chen wo. This woman Perpetua Ofori Ampofo. What's it Kofi? Everybody is leaving. Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association, one more president.
It's worrying because these are nurses who have worked, they have a lot of experience that they could share with their younger colleagues in terms of building their profession. We need better conditions of service, including better salaries. We need to improve the infrastructure of our health facilities.
Teacher ni ekwa class akwala eteform no kire na de nurse ni ekwa konfanoche ni pani bi de da plastic chairs so ene ye treat wo mo abra ye wo more than wo kan sezia agenda 1 Asante region kwanya about 17 hospitals ahodo ya start ya nya nwie ye nkwa no kaboma is about 11 about 15 so it over 20 hospitals egu krom ha Asante region kwa awa abra gu wirem ayenya ensi wieye ene ye politics se wuade for me na de bobodi ayi tafo government hospital maternity block esiwo ene ye de politics ene ye timi tam over $800 million. Yes ye de be ma Kennedy Japan jai me ma me pre ofene say presidential position say ye nokre enya nokre. He has said it. You've not had any government official what about to debunk it. This is a country we are in. The president, Nana Ridanko Akufo-Addo, you are the leader. Talk. Omanpanide Akufo took up an action where you bibi. Yemfa we nchechire wo man. Yemfa we nyekro. Oman ne bo. Nanado, do something before you die. Things are worse. Dr. Tenkran. Or say no. Things, the nurses, workers are not being treated better. Osha Sanyama Winna, no Abisa say, why are we doing this to ourselves? Abisafo, and the other Akopa me pese Ghana ni bi ate ase ne say.
Akoma FM 87.
Ya anya careful. Na ya nso ano ntem. Ebedumire bi no, oman yi bebo. Tie ne biem.
Yeah, 8.5 pence ya yitia. Yakumi Jimsika and Kasa the Yetiato and Kadaki Yakom, Yabo and Brano. Yet 2.5%. Emma National Health Insurance before. Not the average net Jan went to approach Jabe Ghana and assisted Ghana cities a month. Maybe the Jabe Ghana cities a month. Because depending on salary. Now, that next is every you get 30 Ghana cities. Who are Malavia saying, and 600 Ghana cities a month. Every net is every midwife Ghana every year. 600 Ghana cities towards National Health Insurance. And so, Obia or no, if you can't every time it's about what I say, Maggie and I be, out of papers and the to Buno or renew the health insurance or 27 Ghana. Next, you know, you have hospital. That be open, baby. Yaredom a hospital or no theaters and Ghana. Now, if you can not tell Montana 27 Ghana. And so, in Nano, your hospital, the health insurance at the man, and in Sabek. They give one in Sabek. Yes, now, we have more than they receive the same services. Of course, there's a social protection there. But the abandon our paper and your bow, and my abandon again, I have what I want. And go almost more, more hospital, and Gabia almost services very different. And I say, and I say, almost area, that's going to move everybody. As if we do a show free, I say, we just Ghana city what's my health insurance. The Monino, 27 Ghana city. Now, I continue to go for it. In the fact, I insure for somebody. Maybe I'm working for an employer. I should insure myself for the employer. What kind of logic is that? And this I can say something my identity is for or my money. Who's the best for Yang Kata? That's a Jumani day.
I'm sorry to inform Ghana Fonina said Nana Danko Akofo, you are failing on this. Bia can know to see we are not aware of the echoes of Ghana ha. Are too dangerous. Nana Danko Akofo in the opposition Fred John Mahama. No catch and say Mahama. He said one more enjoy inquire one more bushing for one more benwo.
If the president would only look a little closer behind the veneer that closets him, just a little behind his immediate circle of family and friends, he will see and feel the agony of Ghanaians. If he looked a little closer, even at the rank and file of his own party, he would recognize that this is indeed an economy in crisis. Yes, there are a few people who prospered under this government, largely members of the president's family and his inner circle. The Ghana of the past 4 years is certainly nothing like the Ghana that the current population of Ghanaians aspire to. I want a Ghana where political activity is conducted with civility and honor, and no one thinks of rigging an election as an option.
Observe. Oh, Nana Danko Akofo so one more enjoy a warm one. One year now for 4 more ben more ben. Say nya no ne to abey. And MPP for na nka say yiba. Just a post you much ama mo yire no nyina wo bi. Nana do na yire na busuafo ne ma Kennedy Japan ono da board so ne yire. Na ye na na ha kumse no mo ka say Ghana Shippers Council Authority. Kennedy Japan yire na ye board chair from 2017 ebesine. Kwa pia na aboa. Na cha say kurei won kan won men the ina we ni kurunya na ne yire nya na ne menya na moche wo fase nya ne na ase ne ye chichedi. Hey, this is the country we are in. The ordinary Ghanaian na wa bre wa kosku wa sua no ngoma okura ne certificate wan kwa nkotieska puduo even from police military be biaji so tieska. Inti nipa ne ye posuna wo tie ne sika wie. You have no moral courage to shout at the person. For tenika wie nti akoma pa bi anim ohenu anya no wa peska no wa ton na busua fie no wa de kwa aburuchiri and Nana Danko Akofo ado as if nothing is a problem no bi aka na no atum ene eto ne yehwem na sabe say na Ghana ko ya nka na obedi president ka be yode otekoko so na what your appointees o mo petumi akoto afiri ye onro mu nyina aka wa ban mu ene o mu nyina say wa mambo no ye poto and then our mu petumi no there. So when they were chopping, obi enu anu etimi kan okre kire wo. I just say Kofi Asante, I will tell you, Mr. President, because we love you.
87.9
We love you, Nana Aduanaba Kofi Asante, because you feri Ghana. And you know, na say we feri Ghana. Pain ni be a mouse so because forever till you die, Ghana ne be hwe. Aye no mo aye ne atiti yam yeboyirem. Maami a wote offend say dum na ni dwetre aguo 2022 January na okura ayi $5,000 and ne 5,000 no ababedane $1 or $1,000 because a depreciate over 51%. Ababedane 9 offend saying $900. This is what we are talking about.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Otiko course was say will be Antoaba Emma any of your appointees. Sit up, call emergency meeting, declare this thing as a national disaster. The brain drain Ghana for a journey few my Ghana mu. When will be anya will be call him team a wa nyina will be a wo bo prr si enko na na do wan kasa kra unya Ghana be we free akwa kotan bluchiri. Ade
Ghana for to Abama and Aduanaba Kofi Asante yanto ama nipa ka ho biara. Tumi no ede ma no wachiche bia ma obiara. Enti kan hunu se wo mu a wachiche ama obia ni ho a yede tumi ma no ka ho. Enti nana no wonim se me no free nipa to adudo no aye nimbra me ni wo. Adam no ne free fa no 77 ansa na wo sa aba me bo ana me bo a nana a champion bo tata wo ba London nyame no nana nam ne kodwe nyantachi nom ansa na wo sa ba ya mo ba be gina biowa ansa sa ba ya ne koti he abroche ba ya me lawyer no me no ne ko ni nyina ani akwa abapim ne enu aso nkrofo be ka kire so won po asem enso wa anyi antum wo ka se da bi se dem se ne tie de ntesa me de kakra ne se me de futupa nam de be ma wo de Ghana fo pani adwuma de pani ayahwe de pani nkoso enu a ne ye hwehwe de to aba ne wie ya ye bobo se wa wen obi gina TV3 so waka kire nipa na wo se wo na TV company fo no ko dwan mahama wo ka kire nsa aba ne de kom ne abufuo na toye na asa akọ na do so aka kire nsa kom ne abufuo so no so ba no anye de kom ne abufuo be sa ato wo ho nim de wadre wo mpesika ye hwebio enti sese ku hu na ye adwuma ne ye edin ku ana sese wo pe de be odin be komu sa ampa se wo mampanyi bi ba ne e fre na Aduanaba wo ba be ye Ghana ye